The EE TV Box Pro remote uses advanced dual technology to give you complete control over your entertainment system. Today, we'll walk through the quick and easy pairing process. Your EE remote combines Bluetooth technology for controlling the TV box with infrared signals for managing your TV's volume and power functions. The pairing process has been streamlined to take just 3 to 5 minutes. Let's start with the automatic detection method. First, locate the home and back buttons on your remote. Press and hold both buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds to enter pairing mode. Once the remote enters pairing mode, you'll need to navigate through the Settings menu on your EE TV Box Pro. Navigate to Settings, then select Remote Control, and finally choose Pair TV Remote from the menu options. Next, you'll select your TV brand from an extensive database of over 200 manufacturers. The system includes support for all major TV manufacturers, including Samsung, LG, Sony, Panasonic, and many others. Simply select your TV brand from the list. After selecting your TV brand, test the volume and power functions to confirm the pairing was successful. Test both the volume and power controls. If both functions work correctly, your pairing is complete and successful. If automatic detection doesn't work, don't worry. There's a manual programming method available that works with 95% of TVs manufactured after 2015. The manual method uses specific infrared codes for your exact TV model and has an excellent success rate for modern televisions. That's the complete pairing process for your EE TV Box Pro remote. The streamlined automatic method works for most users, with manual programming as a reliable backup option. When your EE TV Box Pro remote isn't working properly, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve common issues. The most common issue is with the infrared blaster at the top of your remote. This small component needs a clear line of sight to your TV to control volume and power functions effectively. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, your remote has a hidden reset button that can resolve more persistent issues. This button restarts the remote's internal systems and clears any temporary glitches. The status LED on your remote provides important information about its current state. Understanding these indicators can help you quickly diagnose connection issues. EE continuously improves remote compatibility through firmware updates. These updates expand support for major TV brands and resolve specific compatibility issues. A notable example is firmware update version 2.4.1, which specifically addressed compatibility issues with Samsung's 2023 QLED series. This update achieved a remarkable 98% successful pairing rate with these premium TVs. The latest EE TV Box Pro remotes include advanced voice control capabilities, representing a significant step forward in user interaction technology. Looking ahead to late 2025, EE plans to integrate with major voice assistants, including Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, significantly expanding the remote's capabilities. The future of the EE TV Box Pro remote extends beyond television control. Upcoming updates will enable integration with your broader smart home ecosystem, allowing one remote to control multiple devices throughout your home. These advanced troubleshooting techniques and upcoming features ensure your EE TV Box Pro remote will continue to evolve, providing an increasingly seamless and intelligent entertainment experience.